Energy is defined as a capacity for work. It's almost the cause of so many things going on around us. When we eat, our bodies store energy through the food, and this energy turns into for allowing us to do action in any business. Energy is very important for the world in our daily life. It's like lifeblood for all of us. We provide a streamlined and flexible renewable energy project fundraising solution which saves time, effort and delivers higher returns to the renewable energy generation facility developers. Energy27 Labs aims to develop zero-carbon products. The work to be done in this area is not industrial, but rather individual products that make everyday life easier. Energy Labs is open to any idea. Energy Labs is working with startup and SME employees. Our labs will come to the fore as social assistance and solidarity. Energy27 platform is going to use blockchain as a tool to make energy grids more accessible and sustainable by promoting data sharing in real time. The idea behind creating energy grids linked to blockchain is fairly simple. By giving consumers total control over where they source their energy as well as the information behind the production itself, it drives competition and promotes sustainable energy. Artificial intelligence in Energy27 offers a cloud-based software platform that claims to leverage artificial intelligence to help clients optimize energy consumption. Designed for small houses and managers of enterprise facilities, the process begins with installation of IoT hardware. No matter if targeted use of renewable energy, combined heating and power stations, provision of storage solutions, DES designs optimized energy supply systems and implements projects accordingly. This may even include models in which the customer merely requests an answer to his particular problem. Energy as a service. In this case, Energy27 DES deals with the nuts and bolts of the problem, from design through installation right up to operation. There are several aims of creating such a big system. Primarily, the Energy27 platform aims to increase the number of solar plants and its use over the world by popularizing and familiarizing solar power plants and solar energy obtained from sunlight. But it's not only about solar energy, also wind turbines, etc. To make this goal happen, the Energy27 platform has started an IEO to gather people who want to increase their capitals by investing in renewable energy all around the world. We are working on a pilot scheme to assess the viability of renewable and sustainable heating, and the objective of including solar water heating, heat pumps, wind turbines, and solar electricity panels or photovoltaic cells. We will be installing these systems in some of our houses so that they can be monitored and receive information about their efficiency and operating costs. Take control of your energy supply. The energy market is facing three main challenges: cost, security of supply, and carbon dioxide reduction. In recent years, only a few companies had to find the answers to these challenges. Now, virtually every single energy consumer can decide on the best strategy for their own situation. Become a member of Energy27 community. Save the world with green energy.